Critical theory is a broad intellectual tradition that emerged in the mid-20th century and encompasses various interdisciplinary approaches to understanding and critiquing society, culture, and power dynamics. It originated from the Frankfurt School in Germany and has since evolved into a diverse field with contributions from scholars around the world. Critical theory examines the intersections of ideology, power, and social structures, aiming to illuminate and challenge systemic injustices. Here are some key aspects of critical theory. 1. The Frankfurt School. Critical theory finds its roots in the work of scholars associated with the Frankfurt School, a group of intellectuals who sought to apply Marxist principles to understanding cultural and social phenomena. Figures like Max Horkheimer, Theodor Adorno, and Herbert Marcuse pioneered critical theory, emphasizing the role of ideology in shaping societal structures. 2. Ideology critique. One central tenet of critical theory involves critiquing ideologies that contribute to social inequalities. This includes examining how dominant ideologies perpetuate power imbalances, shape cultural norms, and influence institutions. Critical theorists explore how ideologies function to maintain social, economic, and political hierarchies. 3. Power and domination. Critical theory places a strong emphasis on understanding power dynamics and systems of domination. Scholars analyze how power operates at various levels, including in institutions, language, media, and everyday interactions. Michel Foucault's work on power and surveillance is influential in this regard. 4. Cultural studies. Critical theory often intersects with cultural studies, examining the ways in which culture reflects and shapes societal norms. Cultural studies scholars draw on critical theory to analyze popular culture, media, and representations of identity. Stuart Hall is a key figure in the development of cultural studies within the framework of critical theory. 5. Critique of mass culture. Many critical theorists, particularly those associated with the Frankfurt School, expressed concerns about the impact of mass culture on individuals and society. They critiqued the commodification of culture, the standardization of artistic expression, and the potential for cultural industries to perpetuate conformity. 6. Post-structuralism. Post-structuralist thought, with its emphasis on deconstruction and the instability of language, has influenced critical theory. Thinkers like Jacques Derrida and Judith Butler have contributed to discussions on the fluidity of meanings, the performativity of gender, and the challenges of fixed categories. 7. Social justice and emancipation. Critical theory is fundamentally concerned with social justice and the emancipation of marginalized groups. Scholars aim to identify and challenge structures of oppression, advocating for more equitable and inclusive societies. This includes addressing issues related to race, gender, class, and other forms of social inequality. 8. Intersectionality. Critical theorists increasingly embrace intersectionality, recognizing the interconnected nature of various social identities and forms of oppression. Intersectional analysis considers how factors such as race, gender, sexuality, and class intersect and influence individuals' experiences of privilege and marginalization. 9. Globalization critique. In the contemporary context, critical theory engages with globalization and its effects on societies worldwide. Scholars examine economic globalization, cultural imperialism, and the uneven distribution of power in the global system. 10. Environmental critique. Some strands of critical theory extend their critique to environmental issues, questioning the exploitation of nature and challenging anthropocentric perspectives. Eco-critical perspectives within critical theory explore the intersections of environmentalism, justice, and social structures. Critical theory continues to evolve, adapt, and expand its scope to address emerging social, cultural, and political challenges. It remains a dynamic and influential approach to understanding and transforming the complex interplay of ideas and power in contemporary societies.